Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2010 Hyundai Accent. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, comment below, just say helpful, whatever, just for the YouTube algorithm. So this car is kind of not running right now, but just follow these steps and it'll work for you. Turn your car on to so that it's running, start it. Turn your temperature control all the way to cold. Turn on your AC and turn your blower all the way up. Then pop your hood. Got the hood popped. And then right here is your low pressure AC port. So you're going to unscrew that. All right, so after you've taken that cap off, remember your engine is running right now, you're going to take your connection tool here and just click it on there like that. And then when it's running, this dial will be lower and the needle will be moving, but you want it to be, that needle to be constantly in that green zone right there. So if this video is helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button, comment below. I'll have some Amazon links in the description below. You can get like a recharge kit like this. And have a good one, guys.